So once you have the right angle joint practice open, the task is to attach these two versiframe pieces using two gussets. So the first step is to use a fasten mate, or M. Select this corner of the bolt in the middle, and then it will attach there. So click in the middle, click again in the middle of that, and it's fastened in place and won't move independently of the first frame. And do the same thing for the other gusset. And now they're both fastened. And to make sure that it won't move like that, you could right click and click fix. Now it won't move. Next, you do a fasten mate between the versiframe and the bolt hole. And now those two are stuck together. We have to figure out which bolt holes are open. So we can see that 1, 3, 5 are open, and the same on the other side. So for bolts, you should generally use a revolute mate, since it allows rotation on the z-axis. So you just do revolute, get the base of the bolt, so it includes this part and the threads, and just click. And now it's attached. Repeat this process for all the other bolts. We just have to attach the nuts. You would think that you just do a revolute mate, grab the bolt, the nut, and attach it to the bolt. But it's more complicated than that, since if you just go to the center, it won't grab the correct thing. It could grab the threads. So a surefire way to get it is to get the circle and then move to the inside. And just attach it there. And now it's attached. Repeat this process for all the other nuts. The nuts and bolts are attached. This is a constrained assembly. You can't move any of the bolts or nuts or either of the gussets or either of the versiframe pieces since it's grounded. After you create your assembly, you should create a drawing of the exploded view so other people can understand your work. So we're going to first create the exploded view. So go to the right side of the screen, click on exploded views, add exploded view, and first thing that comes off is the nuts. So move that and enter an offset of -5 inches. Click all the other nuts. And now you can see that all of those are out of the way. Click the check. And let's do the bolts next for step 2. And let's move these -5 inches too. Select all the other bolts. Click the check. Next, we should get the gussets off. Offset them -2 inches. And you have to do these individually since they're on opposite sides. This one will be a +2 inch. And next, we translate the versiframe down -5 inches. And now the entire assembly is in its exploded view. Now we right click on the assembly, create drawing, a custom template without a title block and without any views. So what I'm going to do for this assembly is do an isometric here, top and front view here. And the exploded view will be on the right side. So first I'm going to select isometric, put it up here. Then a front view. That is showing the wrong side, so select top. That's a correct view. Then insert the left side view to get the front view since there's an offset. Now it's placed, and hit escape to stop placing views. And now we should label all of these. So note or press N and write isometric top view and front view. Alright, and hit escape to stop placing things. Now we have to insert our exploded view. So insert view, explode position, and explode 1 was one that was created before. So it'll be explode 1 for you, but I'm selecting 2. And you can see that the scale is very small here, so I'm going to select 1 to 3. So it's 1/3 the size of the real part. And also we have to select isometric. And that fits perfectly. Now that that's in color, we should add a title to it. So create a new note that says right angle VersaFrame assembly, and make the text larger. I'll say 0.8, 0.18, and then we should say what scale it is. And this is exploded view. The scale is 1 to 3, and we created a drawing.